it again.
Yeah.
Okay, so this week I feel like we haven't caught
I haven't even talked to her
because I have an exorcist / terrorist 3-year-old that is just not letting me live my best life right now.
Yeah.
She's living her best life,
Mm.
and I just have to let her do it. So
We'll just drink up. So, anyways.
Anywho,
We'll just let her live her best life.
we'll just let her live her best life right now. You're doing good?
Yeah, things are fine. Just busy,
Okay.
like always.
And
The
we're
girls are
busy.
Yeah, we're busy here, which is the best part.
It is the best part. We are really excited because now we are getting to work with a lot of great companies. So,
True.
yeah.
Yes.
2 in particular that we're doing today. We have friends over at So Good Cosmetics, and they sent us their lip paints. So Good is, they're based out of LA.
Mm-hmm.
It's a vegan company, and lip paints retail for $20.
Ooh,
And then
good price.
great price. As always, we'll put your shopping needs at the bottom, but it's just a 16-hour to, like, I don't even know. I honestly went 16 hours and it was still on.
Okay.
This stuff stays on. It's velvety when you put it on. It's a little bit sticky, like as the finish, but then it dries beautifully. So they're bomb.
They're bomb.
They're
well,
bomb.
this is the first time that I'm seeing them.
Yes.
And so far, just like off the bat, they're beautiful.
They are beautiful. So I have, and they have boys' names, which I think is
That's
genius.
super cute.
So we got Jake, Gabe, and Dalton
And I have Matisse, Remy, and Owen here.
and I feel like Matisse is like, you just get on a Vespa. Is that what it is? A Vespa?
Like the little motorcycle.
Yeah, like you're in Italy and you meet this guy named Matisse and he owns a Vespa, and he just takes you away.
Hopefully far, far away. I'll go with Matisse anywhere. Let's go. But
All right.
first, I think I want to go travel around with Owen.
Okay, and then I'm going to
I'll do Matisse first.
Okay, I'm gonna go with Jake, and I feel like this is like from 16 Candles because you know Jake had the red Porsche, like
Yes.
it's very fit. I don't know if they did that for that, but it's very
But
fit.
they should tell people that that's why they did it.
Exactly.
For sure. And then Matisse for Vespas.
Liquid lipsticks is you'll look at them and then the colors are like they turn way darker than what they appear to be in the bottle. Mm-hmm. That's not what goes on here. The color actually stays, it doesn't oxidize, it's great. We are huge fans of So Good. We absolutely adore them. These are fantastic. Okay, so that completes our little swatch of the So Good Cosmetics line. Again, vegan, awesome,
Just beautiful. It feels amazing.
beautiful colors.
Yeah, the colors are stunning.
Yeah, so.
Really, really good.
And since we're moms and we can't touch up ever in our life,
No, never.
these are ideal for the mom on the go. So
Yes, so go check them out. Website, right?
yep, So Good Cosmetics website. Punch in Vegas Glam Moms so you can get a 10% off discount,
That is
which is
awesome.
really awesome. And yeah, so Glam Mom approved.
Yep, we love it.
All right.
So good.
So good. Thank
Yes.
you.
Bye, you guys.
Bye.